Okay, so I've got your picture. I'm going to come over here to the dots and I'm going to say download, because it can't be inside a Google Doc to do that, right? So it's coming in here. Then I'm going to go to photopea.com. Open it from the computer. It's in my downloads. So there you are, right? Then, I know it's kind of hard to see because my screenshot thing is cutting it off, but you can just go to the search and type in magic. And you're going to go magic wand. It's over here. It looks like a little stick with a star on the end. And when you do that, you can click on the green. Okay? Everything except for the fuzzy is going to kind of go away, and you hit the delete button on your computer itself. Okay? It makes that go away. Then you can just magic wand and delete the rest of it, and that'll get most of it. Now, the stuff that's right around your hair, that stuff's a little harder. So the eraser is this one down here. It looks kind of like a pill. And I'm going to make it a little bigger because 15 pixels is really small. I mean, you can see how small that is. Now, if this happens where you can't delete anything, like if I try to delete some of your masks, see how it doesn't go? You do Control A, which is select all, or you can pick the little marching ants, select something random out here in the middle of nowhere, and then try again. So like there's some random green up here. You get really close to your head. You're going to lose some hair because there's no way to really get the green out of there easily. Now right now I'm not zoomed in, right? So I can zoom in and make my eraser smaller to get a heck of a lot closer. Like there's more of you, and then I'm going to make my eraser really big, and I'm just going to kind of swipe it over the rest of the page to get out all that other stuff that it's kind of invisible green. Okay, then I'm going to take a little square thingy down here. I'm going to draw a box over the whole page, and then I can use my color choicer down here, and let's say I want it to be like a homestead blue, or you can type in your RGB or your hex code here. And then on my search again, I'm going to choose my bucket, paint bucket. And if it does that, I'm just going to delete it and draw another box because it likes to be difficult sometimes. And then you can swap them here so that now you're on the red, and you'll be able to see your green screen stuff that didn't go away. You'll be able to see that a little better. See, that's the problem with trying to choose the green screen when you're that close to the head, is sometimes you get lots of hair in there instead. But if you zoom in, you'll be able to get a heck of a lot closer. Get some of my extra crap over here. Apparently I'm chosen on something. Try that again. Okay, now when you're done, you have to go File, Export as either a PNG if you just want you to be cut out, or JPEG if you're alright with whatever background it is that you chose. I usually choose PNG just to be safe. Hit save. It goes into my downloads folder. And then you can come back to your Google Drive, new file upload, and then I put you in there with your red background instead. I'm going to put this one on YouTube so that you don't have issues.